Hi! This zucchini recipe helped my kids enjoy vegetables. It's quick and easy. Dear viewers with kids, do your children eat vegetables? Because mine aren't too keen on them. For this recipe, I need 4 to 5 eggs, depending on their size. Right now I'm cracking 4. I'm adding black pepper. I can't imagine savory dishes without it. Sweet pepper, nutmeg, and salt, of course. I'm whisking the eggs now to make sure the seasonings are well mixed in. And here is the star ingredient, zucchini. 2 zucchinis are just enough for my family. We trim off the ends and slice them up. By the way, where are you watching from? I'd love to read your comments. Join the conversation. I'm heating up the pan and adding some sunflower oil. One cup of flour, 1 cup of breadcrumbs, black pepper, garlic granules, sweet pepper and salt, now I'm mixing everything together thoroughly. Done. Now everything's ready for dipping the zucchini. We need to coat the zucchini slices in the mixture on both sides. Dip them in the egg mixture once more. And then straight onto the pan. There you go, looks gorgeous. I'm letting them cook on low heat with the lid on for 5 minutes. While the zucchini is on the pan, I'm moving into my favorite part, making the sauce. 2 tablespoons of sour cream, 2 tablespoons of mayo, one small pickled cucumber. Don't worry, it will be enough for us. I'm trying to chop it as finely as possible. We also need a few green olives. Chopping them into small pieces. A clove of garlic, here I prefer to grate the garlic finely to bring out the full flavor. Dill and parsley are a must in this sauce. Like everything else, how should it be sliced? Drop a comment. A few drops of lemon juice are also essential. Salt. Now mix the sauce. All done. You can chill the sauce in the fridge, it'll taste even better. Let's get back to our zucchini. It's time to flip them over. If you enjoy my recipes, give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Here is the final dish. It's absolutely finger-licking good. Thanks for watching. See you next time.